In this lesson, we're going to look at some more advanced floor and ceiling options. And the first thing I will show you is how you can lower a floor inside of a room. And what I'll do here is I'm going to lower a section over in this part of the room. So I'm going to actually use my draw room tool here. So I'm in the Rooms tab, select Draw Room, and then I'm going to create a rectangle here and close this up. So now we actually created a new room right here. But I wanted to lower this section, and what I need to do is I'm gonna make sure I hide the ceiling, and let's select a negative floor height here. Let's select -1 meter. And then I'm gonna hide all the walls. So when I click, you'll see how the walls turn transparent. If we click 3D now and go in, you'll see that we actually created a lowered part here in that room, right there. So it's a negative value of 1 meter right there. We're back into 2D, and next I will show you how you can create a raised floor section. So we're going to raise up a section of a floor in a room here, and I actually prefer to use custom objects and the custom floor tool. So I'm going to select that, and I'm going to left mouse click and create a zone over here. That will be my raised floor. And if you remember, you can grab a hold of the nodes and readjust any way you would like. And then I'm going to click on the zone, and the object property menu will appear. And I'm going to create a 1 meter high staged floor. So I'm going to select altitude 1 meter, thickness 1 meter. Then I can go in and decide on the colors or materials that I want this raised floor to have. And I would like the floor material to be, let's pick a tile so we can clearly see that. Let's do a white tile. Then on the sides of the raised floor, we'll select the side material. Let's do a gray color. The bottom we don't need to worry about, the bottom material. We go into 3D. Here we see the raised floor in 3D. We have the gray sides and the tiling. Our third advanced option here that I will go through is balconies or entresols. And I'm going to show you how you can create a balcony section right here. So to start, I'm actually going to use custom objects again and the custom floor option. And I think you remember this. We're going to create a custom floor section right here. So I'm going to trace this area of the room and close it up. And we have that zone, and we can readjust a little bit. Then from the object property menu, since we're doing a balcony now, I'm going to raise this up 4 meters. And for the base, the floor of the balcony, let's make that 2 decimeters thick. Then I'm simply going to select the floor material, and let's do a material industrial floor like that. And the bottom, let's pick a color, white, and the side material we'll do gray. So now, if we've done this correctly, we now have a balcony section that's 4 meters raised up, and it has a floor thickness of 2 decimeters. So let's have a look at that in 3D. There we go. We have the balcony section. Now, if I start adding equipment here, and we're just going to drag out some sample objects. Let's just go down to standard libraries. I'm going to drag out a plant here into my floor plan, and you'll see that it as a default ends up on this floor. But it's very easy to use the altitude tool and drag it up, and it will actually snap to my new balcony section right there. And I can easily move it around afterwards. I'll do that one more time. Hold down the left mouse button, drag out, it comes onto the default main floor. Then I can use the altitude tool and raise this up, and it will snap to my custom floor shape right there.